All right, whenever you're solving a problem like this, you can think about it a couple ways. One, we can do it the typical way that we solve equations that are fractions and multiply by the LCD. However, when I have just one fraction equal to one fraction, like in this one, the way I like to do it is simply cross multiply. So it's a similar idea to multiplying by the LCD, it's just a little quicker way to do it. So I'll have 5 times x and set that equal to 3 times x minus 2. Now make sure when you do this, you have to multiply by that whole x minus 2. If you just multiply it by x, it's going to be the wrong answer because this 3 needs to be distributed in and multiplied by both numbers. So now we get 5x equals 3x minus 6, and then we want to get our variable terms on the same side. So we minus 3x from each side. We get 5x minus 3x is 2x equals negative 6. We divide by 2 on each side. Negative 6 divided by 2, we're going to get x equals a negative 3. And that's our final answer. There are other ways to solve it, but this is the way I would recommend.